Do you have protein shaker bottles taking up space in your cupboards? It's time to dust them off and put them to good use. In this episode of Dan Delicious, we are making ube flavored coconut milk ice cream. Don't have any kitchen skills? Don't worry about it. This is a simple vegan recipe for beginners, only using 5 ingredients and a blender, without the worry of an expensive ice cream maker. This is a healthy dessert recipe with bananas as the sweetener, and the ice cream base is made from a plant-based protein shake. Now that's some sweet gains. Let's not waste any more time and get to blending. Start with 1 OWYN room temp plant-based protein drink. Everything mixes better for this recipe at room temperature. 2 tablespoons ube sweet potato powder, a teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, a quarter cup coconut milk powder, a quarter cup water, and add your 3 bananas. Blend it up and pop it in the fridge until you're ready to freeze it. When you don't hear it shake in the bottle anymore, grab yourself a long spoon and enjoy a large homemade frosty shake. If you want scoops of ube flavored ice cream, make sure to freeze your mix in a metal bowl or loaf pan. Wow, that's damn delicious! Make sure to save this easy dessert recipe when you want to impress your friends with a healthy, plant-based dessert, or just eat a whole batch by yourself. It's creamy AF, has a deep, sexy purple color, and the whole batch can be eaten guilt-free. Leave a comment below on how you decided to eat your ube coconut milk ice cream. Was it in a shaker bottle or in a bowl with your favorite toppings like an ice cream sundae? We'll catch you next time for a high protein breakfast favorite. As always, live healthy and build natty.